How to clean kitchen walls and tiles and make it new again. What is the best and easiest way to clean kitchen walls and tiles and make it clean? Well, in this video, let me show you how to do just that, and let's start right now. So to make our kitchen walls, as you can see, all these walls here, these are all filthy, and then you can see how filthy the kitchen tiles and then also the walls look. This is from spills and all splash and all that. So we are going to try and get this all clean up and make it very new, bright again. And the way to do this is very easy, because the product we are going to use is going to be Awesome. I have been using Awesome so many years now. It makes a lot of difference in cleaning. You use this almost for everything you can think of. And so this is what we are going to use. It takes things off in a minute. It makes cleaning very, very easy and simple. You can also watch the other videos that I use Awesome and Comet to clean kitchen sink, to clean dish rack. So this is very simple, easy to use. And then I have it in here. This is just all-purpose spray bottle to make it easy to spray. So we are going to use Awesome, and we are going to use brush if I need it. Also, you're gonna need some sponge and gloves. And Awesome is a very strong cleaning product, so whenever you want to use it on something, try to test it in a very little spot to see how it works before you start spraying on everything, because if you spray this on a washable paint, it's going to wash it off, it will take it off. So just be mindful of that. I always test this on anything new that I want to use before I do. All these I have tested it on, and this is just a dry wall, so it's not going to have any effect if there is any paint or anything on there, so keep that in mind. You can dilute this before you use it, but I just use mine right away. So we are just going to spray. You can see right away, you see how the stain is just coming right off. That is the power of using Awesome. Just be careful with your switches here. And then you spray. I just leave it on for just 1 minute, and we just wipe with our sponge. You don't have to do anything hard because the work is already done. Look at the stain. See all that? That is the dirt, the filth that is just washing off the walls. Okay, with that, you just clean it. Just use my sponge. See how you don't have to do too much at all. And all I have to do is I'm just going to spray this all around now. So by the time we get to this section, it is all ready to be cleaned. All that, just spray and then just leave it on. You can see how the filth is coming right out. This is the power of Awesome. It cleans. Amazing, amazing to have in your kitchen. So as that, look at the filth, how it's coming right out. All that. All right, so we are on this section. This section is already clean, and we are just going to use, and I have my water here, and all I have to do is and just go over it. And you can see, and just wipe my counter as well. Look at how shiny this is looking. It's amazing. The counter. Okay, so now that this is done, all I have to do is just wipe it off. And I have my duster. Look at the magic of awesome. A big difference. So this side is done. Look at that. Look at the transformation. All right, now that we finish all that section, we have this to go. Give it a good clean. All right, and then just go over, clean that. Then I just wet my towel, my sponge with the water. And then just go over it. And make sure you don't leave this on too long because you can see right here, this is very strong. All right, so we finished the top. Now we are going to do the tiles. So we're just going to wipe this off. You can see how this is being cleaned right out. Got the filth. As you can see, this is all clean. And then all we have to do is we just wipe this off. See how clean that is? Now, your tiles are all clean now. Now we come to this section here. Clean that as well. If you have a wall mount paper towel holder, this is mine, and this can be, you don't have to take it off. All you have to do is spray it. And then this is also will be clean. And then you just clean it. This is done. I'm just going to use a little water here. All this little sections clean. And as you can see, we are just going to rinse this because this is all done now. Water. And just rinse this out, and then just let it and then with that we just wipe. Use my sponge first. And this is the plastic paper towel holder, so that makes it easy. You don't have to worry about if it is wood or anything, the plastic can be washed. So now that that is done, we are just going to wipe it dry. And now you have your wall paper towel also clean, and it's gonna look brand new. Looks brand new already. Look at that. Okay, and then you just wipe down your counter. And that is also clean. You can see with the awesome. Makes a lot of difference. And that's it. So this section is done. We are going to move on to the next section. And then we're just going to spray this section as well. In just a few seconds. And we just wipe this. And then once you wipe that off, all this is clean now. And then use the back of your sponge and go over it. Just clean the back of your sink. That is done, and we are just going to wipe it off. And this is done. And we have our last section to go. Now we get to the last section, and we are just going to spray and give it like 1 minute, and we will just start scrubbing. Just be mindful of your plates. Look at how the filth is coming out. That is a filth. And that. Just start scrubbing, and you are just wiping it off. Got the filth there. And that. Just go over this again. And then sometimes, if I have like some little things that doesn't want to go away, what I do is I use sandpaper, and then I just go over them, and then I will take anything else off on the wall. See how those are gone. Let's see how it takes anything that I might have on the wall that is sticky, that doesn't want to come off. Just sandpaper it. And that's it. And now I can just clean my wall, and you see, spotless. That's it. Then just clean the side. Get all those things off. Alright, so now you can see by using the sandpaper, you get everything that is sticky on the walls off. And you clean it up nicely. You use your sponge. And now we are just going to wipe this down, and we are done. And then try to clean your counter as well. and that just gives it a little more clean. Alright, and then we just wipe this. And then the last thing we have is just your sink tap. You can spray that and just wipe it off. And it just brightens it up. Just clean anything else around it. And just give it a good clean. To your sink. There we go. Just wipe it down. Give it a quick clean. Look at how shiny that is already. See how shiny this looks? So you can use Awesome on anything else. You know, this makes it so bright. You saw how it was before and now it's just so shiny. And I just wipe this down. And wipe the back. Look at that. Look at how shiny this is looking. This is amazing. Alright, and so that's how you wash your kitchen walls. Make it new again. Now you can see how clean everything looks. The walls, the kitchen walls. Those are all brightened now, clean. Now your wall towel holder is also clean, neat. Look at our tiles. Look at all that. All the walls. And that is amazing. Hello friends, I just show you how you can use Awesome to clean your kitchen walls and tiles in a very easy, simple and very effective way. I've used Awesome for so many things in my home. It makes cleaning very easy, even on the toughest grease and stains. This helps you to get it off so quickly and easy. Makes cleaning very easy, and I hope this video helps you. Also, if you want to know more about how you can use Awesome to clean your dish racks, to clean the bent bottom of your pot, watch the next video. If you have any cleaning product that works best for you, please leave it in the comment section below. If you have any questions, also please do subscribe to this channel so I can bring you more videos like this. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for helping me grow this channel. I will see you on that video. Take care. Bye.